My name is Ava. I am 25 years old, and I live in a small, quiet town. To others, my life looks perfect. I have a husband, a nice house, and a good job. But my heart feels heavy every day. 1 year ago, I made a mistake. I married Max, a man I don't love. I did it out of anger. I wanted to hurt my ex-boyfriend, but now I've only hurt myself. Max is a kind man. He loves me with all his heart. He does everything to make me happy. He brings me flowers, surprises me with gifts, and always smiles at me. But I can't return his love. He knows I don't love him. One night he said, "Ava, please don't leave me. I know you don't love me yet, but I believe you will one day. My love is strong enough for both of us." I wanted to cry. His words hurt me because I knew they would never come true. My heart was silent, and no words could fix it. My mom always said, "Ava, love will grow with time. Not everyone marries for love. You must be patient." But I feel like I'm living a lie. One evening, Max planned a romantic dinner. He lit candles and cooked my favorite meal. He smiled and said, "This is for you, Ava, because you are my everything." I tried to smile back, but inside I felt empty. I couldn't enjoy the dinner. I felt trapped in a life that didn't feel like mine. Max took me to the park where he had proposed. He held my hand and said, "Remember this place? This is where I promised to love you forever." I looked at him and wanted to scream, "I don't love you," but I stayed quiet. I didn't want to hurt him. At night, I lie in bed and stare at the ceiling. I think about my life and wonder if I'll ever feel happy again. My best friend Lisa noticed I was sad. She asked me, "Ava, what's wrong? You don't look happy." I told her the truth. Lisa said, "Ava, maybe you and Max need time apart. Take a break and see how you feel." But I knew it wouldn't help. My problem wasn't time, it was my heart. I once tried to tell Max how I felt. I said, "Max, I need to talk to you about us." But he stopped me. He said, "I know what you're thinking, Ava. Please, please don't give up on us yet." His words made me feel worse. He was holding on to hope, but I had none left. One day, Max asked me, "Ava, do you want to have a baby? I think it will make us closer." I froze. The idea of having a child with someone I don't love scared me. I told him, "I'm not ready, Max." He looked sad but didn't push me. I feel like I'm drowning in this marriage. I can't be the wife Max deserves. I feel guilty every day. Sometimes I wonder what people will say if I leave him. Will they judge me? Will they think I'm selfish? One night I packed a small bag. I wanted to leave, but when I saw Max sleeping, I couldn't do it. He looked so peaceful, and I felt like a monster for thinking of leaving. The next morning, Max made me coffee. He smiled and said, "Ava, I believe in us. We can make this work." His words broke my heart even more. I sit in my room sometimes and cry. I feel lost. I don't know how to fix my life. Max doesn't deserve this. He is a good man, but I can't give him the love he needs. One weekend, Max took me on a trip to the beach. He said, "Maybe the sea will help you feel better." We walked on the sand, but I felt nothing. The beauty of the sea didn't touch my heart. Lisa called me after the trip. She asked, "Did it help, Ava?" I told her no, nothing seemed to help. I think about my future every day. I know I can't live like this forever, but leaving feels so hard. Max is still trying. He plans small surprises and writes me sweet notes. He deserves someone who loves him back, not someone like me. I want to leave, but I'm scared. What if I never find happiness? What if Max is the best I'll ever have? One night, I looked in the mirror and didn't recognize myself. I had lost my smile, my joy, and my dreams. I shared my story because I want others to learn from my mistake. Don't rush into marriage for the wrong reasons. Wait for real love. I hope Max forgives me one day. He deserves happiness, and I hope he finds it. Now I must be brave and choose a new path. I don't know what the future holds, but I can't live like this anymore.